Hi, everybody. Happy Friday. We made it through the week. We only have another week and 2 days. So let's enjoy this time we have left. As you can see, I am not here today. So if you're an in-person student, please be very mindful of our sub and thank them and be very kind and thank our sub for being with us here at Jefferson today. So, uh, we started an assignment yesterday. We started the Buzz and Woody Newton's Law. This is your assessment. This is your test for this unit. So please be mindful of that when you are completing this. So yesterday we watched the video. While you were watching the video, you were filling out the Buzz and Woody worksheet of examples of each law that was at the bottom half of the page. The top half of the page was just a reminder that you need to fill out what is the first law of motion. That is an object at rest stays at rest, an object in motion stays at motion unless acting by an unbalanced force. Newton's second law of motion is acceleration happens in the direction of the force and mass plays a role. Third law of motion, every action has an equal but opposite reaction. So if I'm standing on the ground right now, which I am, and pushing down with 30 newtons, the ground is pushing back at me. So you've got to be pretty good with your laws by now. We've been working on this for a while. Down here at the bottom is where you found examples of the movie. Now, what is our task at hand? You're going to pick one of those examples from the movie. You get to pick from law number 1, law number 2, law number 3. It could be if Woody was getting catapulted, what law would that represent? If you are an in-person student, you were given a white large sheet of paper. On one side, you're going to do number 2. 1 and 2, you're going to illustrate the scene from one of your examples. You're going to give me a title, and you're going to tell me what law you're representing. On the back side, you are going to put your 3 paragraphs. If you'd like to tape a lined piece of paper there, that's fine. On paragraph 1, which is a paragraph, 5 to 6 sentences, describe what's happening in the scene. Paragraph 2, explain how the scene represents that law. How does it fit? Paragraph 3, which could turn into more than 1 or 2 paragraphs. Explain how the following concepts are involved in the scene. Inertia, speed, acceleration, 2 examples of balanced forces, which means no movement, 2 examples of unbalanced force, which means movement, no movement, and gravity or weight. This is your assessment, so while you are telling me how those happen in the scene, I probably would put those definitions down just so I am very clear on that you have mastered those concepts. So that is for our in-person students. They will be doing it on that large piece of paper I had given you. Our virtual students will be using this slideshow, and it's the same thing. Title, what's happening in the scene, how the scene represents the law, and that is how the following concepts are involved. You'll probably need to add additional slides. Yes, you can. I expect different backgrounds. I expect this to be visually appealing, just like if you were drawing a picture. You may find these slides right here, Buzz and Woody assignment slides, right there. If you need an opportunity to rewatch the video so you can slow it down, go faster, go slower, and really look for those 3 laws. So 2 things are going to be coming in. You're going to turn in your note-taking, and you're going to turn in your slides. The main thing is this, is your slideshow. Oh, and you definitely will need additional slides. Or it is your large sheet of paper that I had given you in class. So if you weren't in class, if you happen to miss that Wednesday or Thursday that you were not here, then you can go ahead and use this slide deck. So This will not be due until Monday. You will have the weekend to complete this. Remember, this is your test for this unit. So I will see everybody on Monday. If you have any questions, you can shoot me an email, and I'm sure I will be looking at over the weekend. Have a wonderful weekend and enjoy the weather.